Hey there Internet, Keith here, and welcome to the Cars of Keith YouTube channel. We are at Rush Customs in Alpharetta, Georgia. Now, my previous trunk lid had actually separated a little bit and pulled the wrap up. So we got the trunk rewrapped, and now we are getting a new spoiler. I wasn't going to film a video, but they were able to fit me in to do an install, and we are getting the PSM spoiler. So we can't wait for that. I'm over here in the shade because of the sun. I'm far away. There's a tractor trailer with a whole bunch of noise going on back there. But let's get into it. Let's see the install. Heidi is sitting pretty over there with her new wrapped bumper and new PPF. Looking good. I got a couple of clown shoes here too. Bunch of nice cars. So here's the trunk lid. Just ignore the noise from the tractor trailer. There is actually a seam between the two wraps right here because we didn't want to do one piece. We're just going to spoiler here anyway. So to make the wrap last longer and not be stretched too much, we put a seam right here. And the trunk before was horribly taken care of. It was repainted. There's paint nibs everywhere. You can see all of these crazy impurities and scratches and dents. It's just really hard to wrap and get to look nice. Rush has a nice waiting room here. It's just a great place because you can order online and you can pick up locally, or sometimes you can just stop by and ask them some questions if they have time. They're really busy, but they got some great stuff. You see carbon fiber, and over here in the cabinet as well. They do all kinds of things, accessories. Like I said, they actually work on cars. Just great customer service too. Going in for surgery. Watch that shadow change on the color flip. See Rush's shop, representing Lick O'Malley. Got a fan right here, so ignore that noise. Shop's always got fans. Check out the twin Terpskis. All their products that you would order online are right here. Shelved up, storage. Like I said, they got a new facility. It's gonna be a lot easier for them to get orders out. They're just growing so fast. They do such a good job and have such good customer service that it's like people just want to come here, and that's the way business should be done. Here's a trunk now that we're in the shade, and it's more the slate gray look. So we lay the spoiler down first, then we tape it off so you know where it's gonna be. Tape it up. Make sure you wipe it down with a panel wash or alcohol. Also make sure it's not ceramic coated before you do this.
Readjust the tape since now we have to. Delicate surface.
Yeah, like I used the purple too.
I was in the store and I was like, oh, delicate surface. Oh, maybe I should try that. Help? Alright.
See you later, guys.
Have fun. Back to work. Like Pirates of the Caribbean. Back to work. Back. No, not the tape. It needs your actual hands. Alright, watch your hands right here. Don't touch in the center. Touch on the outer edges. Hold it, because I'm trying to verify everything's lined up right before I start.
the real deal. Carbon fiber both sides. And it is so light. That's crazy.
About where it would be, but don't go all the way down yet, because I have to pull my tape. Just want to get it somewhat lined up. Put it up before you put it on. All right, we're about ready. Give me 1 sec.
Dude, that looks sick. Yeah, it definitely sets it off in the rear now.
So much more aggressive.
So we got some tape down here. We have to leave there for about 30 minutes to an hour. So it kind of holds and puts tension on that 3M tape that's underneath. But man, that really sets off the rear of this car. I mean, wow. Yeah, that's it right there. Just looks sick. Here's the after. Yeah, that sets it off. Sun's coming out just in time. Man, that looks so good. We're home now. Trying to get as much color on there as possible. We still have to clean this off. We still have to ceramic coat that wrap right there. Couldn't ceramic before the spoiler. So what do you think? I think it looks great. Now in the beginning I thought maybe the PSM was going to stick up a little bit too high, but it kind of has more of a gradual look to it. Matina at Rush Customs actually brought out the last PSM spoiler they had, and we put it on the rear to see what it would look like, and it just, I was like, that's it, we got to do it. And I can't thank them enough for fitting me in and getting the install done, having that part for me. It's nice having a place in the local area that is also online that you can order at, that you can come pick up locally, or sometimes you can come by if they're not too busy and see if they got a part that you need. They have all kinds of stuff for all kinds of vehicles when it comes to carbon fiber, accessories. They even do engine work and exhaust installs and that kind of stuff. So I'll leave a link in the description below to their website. Go check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So check them out. I'll leave a link. Oh my God, you stupid birds. Every time. The other night, 1 o'clock in the morning, they were doing this. Whole bunch of different kinds of cars, car pipes. Hey there, Internet Keeve here, and welcome. Hey there, Internet Keeve here, and welcome to the Cars of Keeve YouTube channel. Oh my God. Hey there, Internet Keeve. Hey there, Internet Keeve here, and welcome to the Cars of Keeve YouTube channel. Oh my God. Just ignore the tractor trailer over there, but just ignore the noise from the tractor trailer there. But I was kind of worried. I was worried about. I really think it does look